Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily buy Bitcoin in Finland. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you'll do it, you'll get on this site called Coinbase, and on Coinbase you just simply add a first name, last name, email, and then you'll get €8 worth of free of Bitcoin. Then what you want to do is just be in Coinbase right here. You want to simply click Bitcoin, view asset, and now you just add buy €100 Bitcoin, pay with your bank account or Euro wallet, completely up to you. You click here preview buy, and you can pay with, see it right here, pretty easy. Then you can simply sell, same thing, and now go to portfolio and also withdraw the money. So this is pretty much it, and this is how you can buy Bitcoin in Finland. Thank you very much guys, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.